Hi, I'm Matt with 511. I manage the tools categories. I'm here to show you 2 new lights for 2019. We updated our AA pen lights. We took the design DNA of our AAA pen lights and the tactical features of our 123 rapid lights and came out with a new size. This is our in-between size. It's compatible with 14500 lithium rechargeables and obviously with the AA's. With the lithium you get 330 lumens out of a single 14500 cell, and it also has the bi-directional pocket clip that you can put on your hat. So this is the Rapid PL1AA. And the MAP price on that is $34.99. This is our Rapid PL2AA. So this is not very common where you have a 2-cell 14500 compatible light. With the rechargeables you can get over 500 lumens in a compact package. So the only difference with this with a traditional AA pen light is it's about 3/8 of an inch longer due to that lithium rechargeable compatibility. So these are our 2 new lights for 2019. And then I'd like to show you our TKO Ratchet Kit. This is for takedown of like rifles. It's a little bi-directional ratchet. It has a bottle opener and pry bar. It's reversible. What's cool is you can actually use the device while it's in the sheath. As you can see, it's got knurling on the bit holder, and the bit holder is locking. And it uses standard hex bits. You have your cool bit holder on the side, and we also include a pistol punch tool. And this retails for $19.99, and it's available now. Belt molly clip on the back. Find out more, visit our 511 website.
These are very easy to remove the firearm.
So laser training devices, I throw the piece on, full press for high, and easier to deploy finger. Wipe across, ratchet slide, area target zone.
5 of the light,